nandito ako ngayon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, napakaganda ng mga alon.
Hi, this is Miru YouTube channel. Enjoy watching.
So guys,
Thank you.
nandito ako ngayon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, napakaganda ng mga alon. At napaka-blue ng dagat. Pero yung ano dito, yung buhangin is brown. Dun sa may lugar namin is excuse me, ano siya, white sand. Oh my god, may allergy. Look at this beautiful place. So, merong mga mag-inado. So, yan. Super beautiful. So, yan. Super ganda ng place. Malakas ang signal dito na side. Look at that. See. Actually, kasama ko yung anak ko dito, but he is so busy with his life. So, I'm enjoying myself. So, natubig dyan. Pasang-pasang alon. So, it's fine. Look at this. Doon na side is, I think it's white sand, but this side is brown. On the other side, you see, doon banda is, white sand naman. So, every island is different kind of sand. I don't know why, but, in every island, there's a different kind of sands. But in my place, lahat siya is white sands. Pero yung sands niya is not normal, hindi siya mapino. Dito medyo mapino yung sands niya.
Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much.